Hello, viewers. A very good morning and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, we need to take a look on the strategy being deployed by Team ED for the 2030 Mnangagwa campaign. I know we have talked much about this topic, but we need to exhaust this topic because our future as young people in Zimbabwe is very, very, very crucial. So, what is the strategy being deployed? It's simple. The strategy is making sure that President Mnangagwa gets recognition in key areas, provinces, particularly Masvingo, which is the stronghold of ZANU-PF. What is going to happen is that you will see a lot of people being used from various areas which are isolated. You see those people being deployed close so that they can be used to advance the strategies, the needs of the regime. And it is going to be a very interesting moment at this moment in time. What is happening is they will campaign publicly about Mnangagwa Chipo campaign. This will help them terminate and isolate potential rivals of President Mnangagwa. So the idea is not to sustain Mnangagwa beyond 2028, but to sustain his family members to take over beyond 2028. That is the strategy. So everybody who is going to oppose 2028 Mnangagwa Chipo is going to be terminated, is going to be removed from the party. And once they've removed everybody who will be perceived as an enemy during this period, from now up to 2027, then they'll say artisanal challenge. Nobody is challenging us. Let us now have a new face. Then boom, you'll be told Guti Panamfana Arguta take over. And you'll be told Guti he has been approved by provinces and everybody is in agreement with this. So it's very important to note that this is the biggest scam which is going to happen in the nation of Zimbabwe if ZANU-PF people do not seriously act on this one. Saka, do you know Kuti, it will be difficult for anybody to challenge because mese munenge makatwa zvikuturu mese at this moment in time hakuna anenge achiti bufu. So Majera Jero says the plan of those who are championing Mnangagwa's Mafidi dynasty is for Mnangagwa to have a third term in office or one of his sons taking over with Shoni Mnangagwa as the Defense Forces commander. Don't think they are playing. They are serious about it. So this is the strategy. So just imagine, umwakanzi ndiye commander Defense Forces. Umwaitwa commander Defense Forces, then umobvanze ndiye quita take over as the president ZANU-PF for the purposes of 2020 elections. Just imagine the mess. Vamwe vese mabviswa panzira from now up to 2027. Then key announcements are made. What will have to happen? So you need to see this differently. It doesn't matter which party you support. It's about reasoning, seeing things as they are, telling the truth. Where we are going, the country is going to be intense for a while because I've talked about the upcoming thank you rallies. The word will be about Mnangagwa Chipo. That is the campaign. This is the moment to identify anybody who wants to resist this. So inoitwa slogan yacho uripo. Iwo paunosimuka unofana kuita that slogan. What it means is vipi Chiwenga kana vakanga vari pa thank you rally iyoyo vachisimuka vamwe vese vaita slogan ivo ndo vega vanenge vasara. Is he going to do the slogan? Ivo achizatoenda kupinda. Then another issue is everybody who is aligned to VP will be forced to do the slogan. That will cause confusion and chaos within their camps to say, okay, Sakai, Muruguto supporter. Who is going to stop doing this slogan? That person is going to be under fire. A slogan. So you see, this is strategically placed to make sure that key people are silenced and silenced for good, forever and ever. And there is nothing these unpaid people will do because vapera vakatotambwa navo yese and vakatoonekwa kuti hapana. So this was predicted around February 4 by Majara Jairo saying, fellow Zimbabweans, very soon you will hear ZANU-PF officials saying that you, the people of Zimbabwe, have resolved that ED should run for another term in office. They will say it is not Mnangagwa who wants this, but you and ZANU-PF provinces. This was discussed recently. So it's interesting, Team Zimbabwe. It's interesting what is happening, but we are going to continue to watch and see. If they do not take advice, if they do not hear what we've been calling, then Ajachema. Because Agenda 2030 is real. It's real and it does have so many angles. So you need strategists to deal with this matter, left, right, and center. If not, then you are doomed. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. This is what is happening at this moment in time. And the major question is, how are they going to survive? And how are they going to deal with this matter? Who is going to resist? It's a question for another day. Because muchatoita slogan muchida musingadi. Muchida musingadi. So it's a good question, madam. We are on it to force our leaders in the blue movement to do what they are not prepared to do. However, we will remain true to the cause. Okay. And they are very serious, and at this rate, it is very concerning. Okay. And the ZANU is a party that does not know what they push for. They did the same for Mugabe Grace, and it ended badly. And they never learned their lesson. Now they are doing this same mistake again. Those that push for this, they do it to get closer to Mnangagwa, like they did pushing Grace agenda. You know, chirikuitika kuzanupef ndechekuti they're testing the waters to say, okay, let us try and see kuti tikadai metse yacho inobuda sei. This is the issue. So they think kuti they have proved the coup, like what happened in 2017. They are saying it will never happen again. So that is the reason why they are pushing for these things, because vanonga vachitaura kuti haipone murutsva kaviri. Those who orchestrated the coup in 2017 cannot repeat it. And most of those strategists are gone. The brave people, they are gone. So who is going to push this one? None. So I mean, guys, what you think, but we'll see how God is going to respond to this. We need God more than any other person because God is the only strategist who never fail. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. But I've tried to talk to you about the Team ED strategy.